against the light. Fine. Hello. Birthday karon ni Ella. Magdali-dali mi og kuan sa regalo. I have here the card. Wa jud ko. I take out the cards. Muna akong ikuan. We do need the plastic. I forgot. No? I was supposed to.
I want the plastic.
You want the plastic? There's a price in the plastic
That's
still.
I have that for the patches.
He need that for his patches. Grabe nagawagtang yun atong dagway. Birthday ni Ella ron. Tapos, akong sa kabisi, akong pa dyan yung tao nagkuhan. Naana ko yung regalo niya, pero ako siyang idungagan ba. Okay. Manguli mangud may Philippines. So, dili kayo may magasto-gasto jud kay para namin pangkuan dito. Grabe po niyo ng pagkapilit sa presyo. Mura man yung tantangan na ito presyo.
She, I wanted to eat something.
I didn't eat. I just finished this. Akong gidali-dali ni kay. Di ka nang ko dentist na ako. Tapos,
You don't have the cake?
I get Dunkin' Donut. There's no cake, baby. Unless if I go today, I go now in Edeka, but I still have to finish this. Wala akong cake, Dunkin' Donut lang yung binili ko.
Should I go to Edeka quick? Because I wanted to eat something actually.
If you'll be so nice. Will you?
I'm gonna send you a photo. I don't know, I don't think we're gonna get the whole thing.
Yeah, then
Just,
maybe and then I can put also a thing on that. Yeah, I just gonna do it like that. Pabibilhin ko ng cake si Frank, Bumila ko ng Dunkin' because they like this donut here, but of course it's not a cake just in case I don't have anything. So ito yung mag-ano na lang si Frank sa card. So sulat ako nabili ko akong iputos yung mga regalo.
Tomorrow I have my dentist.
Tomorrow you have dentist. And I have now 4 free cleaning because of my periodontitis. So I will have that.
1 hour dentist I have.
What about 1 hour? Ako kaning Kurumi. Kurumi yun na siya. Yung ganahan guys. Butang na to dire. Butang na to. Kurumi. Si Kurumi. Tapos na maulagi ni chinelas. Ibutang ako din. Ako siya tag sa unong kutos kay dili siya mga ko presyo. Dili siya makayag. Ala, maglago na dito ang kuang short. Ako mga ipampalit na ako kanang magamit ng usa mong travel. Taga na siya shorts pero kapalit ya kung nakita na ko ni nights na siya color. Hayahay ba? Di man ko kay hindi kayo ako bumibili dito ng mga summer clothes. Though daghan jud ang dami talaga naming summer clothes, pero hindi talaga siya masyadong nagagamit so nga. So mas more on talaga kami. So bumili ako ng mga new summer shorts niya. Lagay natin yan dyan sa loob. And then ito, ang ganda nito, super cute, diba? Skirt na short siya pero skirt. This is from Levi's. Ang cute. So, ilagay natin yan dyan, dito sa loob. Nakyutan talaga ako nito. Sana magkasya to sa kanya. Ayan. Ang cute nito. Tapos, na ako ay Hello Kitty na t-shirt. Ayan, di ba? Ang cute. Napako isa dito sa taas. Nakabili kasi ako noon. Ako isa. Yun. Kukunin ko yun mamaya. Okay. Hello Kitty na t-shirt. Lagay natin yun dyan. Tapos na bumili ako ng chopstick. Pero ang what's special on this chopstick, mahilig kasi si Ella sa chopstick. What's special on this chopstick is meron siyang yung anime. So ibutang na ko yun siya diripod. So, tapos na ako yung Lego. Supposedly, bibili ako ng flowers pero last year nagbigay din ako ng Lego sa kanya. Gusto niya yung mga Lego na flowers edition. So this year, binigyan ko siya nito. Yung para siyang batangkay. Ito na flowers yung binili ko this year for Lego. Ayan. So, kukunin ko muna yung isang t-shirt dun sa taas. I think she doesn't need this one anymore. Actually, ano pa siya. Magamit kasi niya to sa Philippines din. So, sabi ko this year, this year siguro ang bibilhin ko more on. Kasi last year, ano ito eh. Magagamit din niya ba? Kasi kay... So, tapos magsusulat na lang ako ng card. Tapos, ang card, lalagyan ko siya ng pera. Ito yung isang t-shirt naman, guys. Ayan. Hello Kitty din siya. Idol yun yan ng Hello Kitty. So, binili ko talaga yung Hello Kitty. Tanggalan natin ang price. Hello Kitty edition ng mga damit. Hello Kitty theme. Ay, di din yung kita. Ito ang front. Yan yung likod. Ang likod niya madaming ng Hello Kitty. Magugustuhan niya to kasi ano to siya, fan yun siya ng Sanrio. Which is very fan of Sanrio, kanang mga bitaw, mga anime, yun na yung mga gusto. Yun na yung mga gusto, guys. So, lagay natin dyan. So, I think this is enough. Tapos, meron akong socks. Hindi, last Pasko, nung Christmas, binigyan ko siya ng Sanrio collection na socks. Kaya this year, kaya ngayon, hindi ko binili yung Sanrio socks. Hindi ako muna ng Sanrio socks. Ito na lang. Kasi magagamit niya ito from Elise. Elise. Yeah. Pandagdag lang siya, guys. Pandagdag. Karon, i-close natin to. Saan man nila? Namatay na. Tapos, yung paper bag, binili ko na lang din dun sa ano. Tapos gagawa ako ng topping sa croissant. Wala. Basta mo to. Malagay natin ito. Kasi part yan siya sa ano. Part yan siya sa pabongga-bonggaan niya. Maganda yung sa ano, sa mga paper bag sa TK Maxx. Kasi meron na siyang mga ganito. Marami kang mapipilian. So, ayan. Meron na siya. So, di ba? O, di ba? Wala na akong hago o kuan. O putos. Kaya normally, maghago na din tawang putos. Ayan na siya, guys. Nagkasya siya lahat dito. Tapos, yung Lego, i-separate ko na lang. Kasi di na siya. Mayroon kasing paper bag din ang Lego. Alam na yan naman eh. Bunga-bunga naman tani eh. So, magsulat lang ako sa card. Sulat tas, ay. Magsulat lang ko sa card. Tapos, tatanungin ko siya kung gusto ba niya kakain kami sa labas. Kaya kung anong good si Frank trabaho. Ako, off ko karon, nag-request ko off. And since hindi naman kami talaga naghahanda dito, sabi ko kang Frank, it's okay if you need to work. Kasi yung Frank works more hours than me, guys. So, sabi ko, okay lang kasi mag-uurlaw, pero baka kami magbabakasyon, baka kulangin yung days niya bitaw, guys. And then, marami siyang termin. So, anak ko, okay lang, dili ka off karon. Kasi di man man po kasi may maghanda. At least, kanang in preparation, nandyan siya. Tulungan niya ako dito kaya.
If possible.
So, bumili ako ng kane. Then it's good. Probably better than your flige. I fight because you like that thing. Uda?
Yeah, but it's still.
And now they're gonna interview you?
No, he needs to check, and then they need to sit together and then think of something.
Is it look good?
What looks good?
The croissant now? Or the is... I've seen it there in the shop. I'm afraid. So?
Yeah. You leave the leaves on it, okay.
Yeah, it's like
Yeah,
that.
yeah,
Says
that's
there's a
good.
container. Look at it.
I thought, is it good with Airloid?
No, I told to you too that it's gold good in Airloid because you like that job. Gawa tayo ng ano.
Yeah, thanks.
Bumili ako ng croissant. How do you say word? Croissant? Croissant?
Croissant.
Croissant of Paris.
Croissant.
Croissant. Can you write there now before you leave na that you forget?
Yeah.
So, nag-text sa akin si Ella na meron pa daw siyang 1 hour. Kasi akong inutusan ko siya guys kasi around this time talaga na siya umuwi. Tapos sabi niya may 1 hour pa daw siya. So, mas maganda siguro kung lagyan po nato ng grapes. Strawberry na lang natanan. Oh, ang ganda niya. Super pretty. Tingnan nyo guys. O, diba? Tapos nagkapalit po si Frank og cake. Pero ang napalit niya half na lang. Wala, ang ganda.
Look for that. Since you're. Can you read that? Wait there.
No, you have to...
No, it's not gonna go.
Yeah, it is.
It's too close. Love to be. Quatsch. What did I wrote? I wrote more love, Papa to be.
Is that cake not gonna melt?
No, but still should be in the fridge.
Can you put that here so I can put that here? Yeah, symbol na ko siya guys. Kasi ang nabili ni Frank na cake kanina po talaga ako naghanap ng cake ba. Hindi kasi ako nag-order kasi akala ko makapag-bake ako din. Saka busy sa inahan. Di ko na may time mag-bake.
The croissant is too big.
Yeah,
Don't put it like that.
like this, na?
Yeah. I don't know, how many do you have?
4.
And then put it like that. 1 here and then 2 there. That is fitting.
For sure, fans.
No, wait.
Watch out na it's not gonna...
Like that, and the other one here and the other one there.
Or I just separate the croissant. What do you think?
No, it's okay.
Is it gonna fit? Because this is 4 because for
Each one, yeah.
yeah. Wala man may bisita dire. So bawion ra gyud namo permi sa regalo.
Each one of you, but I gotta go flesh. Maybe I cannot.
Can you still eat?
No, I didn't eat anything.
I think it's not gonna fit. How did you?
Come on, eh.
Can you help me for
This is unbelievable.
ang croissant dire hasan dagko up. Palit rin ako ni sa bakery tapos ako na din mag-design. Di mura na gyapon og kuan. O di ba? O to very creative. Pansin pa creative. You are very creative. Za, may mag fruit platter din ko. So it's like coffee thing. I will pick up Francis early. Pick up ko si Francis early ang si Francine para we can...
So,
Can I see? Can you show them first? Show them first.
wait, leave it like that. I'm gonna open it.
Yeah. Yeah. Di ba? Oh, kagwapa. Guti idi. Look at that. And ang candle din dire. Morning napalit ni Frank.
Yeah, and then happy birthday here.
Half slice. Pila ni mong palitan ni? Pilagi. How much did you pay for this? Half.
28 euros.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 28 euros. So, nanan siya sa 1,500 na ako nagwino ko. May pa kong croissant. Ha? Okay.
That was cheaper than croissant.
Yeah. Cheaper the croissant.
I should have done that then instead. Then
Yeah.
we could have made a circle.
Yeah.
16 croissants.
9, 8 only you need.
16 you make, and then you have 16 candles. 16.
She's
No,
17.
17.
She's
No,
17.
you have to buy 17
Yeah, then
croissants.
it will burn.
Yeah.
So, ayan na guys. Ibutang ako sa ref para di mo kuan. Ang candle na lang din akong pangitaon.
Here's from Vanessa, yeah?
Yeah, she has a gift. Yeah, Vanessa also sent a gift. Open na mo na later. I'm so proud of myself that I have this last minute idea. I can open a business now. This chocolate cake, I wonder if the kids will probably, only Francis probably.
Francis and me, we're gonna have that. It's no problem.
Ayan na, nakoy cake.
I want to see what's inside.
Yeah?
I want to eat the smiley face.
Yeah, the donut.
Yeah, the Lalo donut. Lalo.
So,
I want to eat the Lalo donut.
excited na ni mo mga manghod, oh.
See?
Ang birthday girl kay wa may
Mama, see the happy
Should-
birthday.
Should Atela open first the gift?
Yeah.
Okay, she's gonna open.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Day to you. Happy birthday, Ate.
Ella.
Happy birthday to you.
From the box stuff.
Wish.
Here glow.
Ang chocolate
From
pa
the
yun.
box stuff. Here
Yay! So Atela will open her gift.
So ich dachte, wir essen zuerst.
You want to open first or the eat? You decide.
Ja, wir essen den jetzt.
Oh, oh. You open first at yeah, read the letter from Francine. Diyan sa'yo naka...
Ella, happy birthday.
That's from Francine.
Hast du
Ah.
das geschrieben?
Ja,
Nein, das
hab
hast du nicht
hab
geschrieben.
Rosinen von mir geschrieben.
Hast du das geschrieben? Wow.
Schon wieder Lego benutzen.
Aha. Lego. Blumen wieder. Kaysa mo palit og flower.
Flower seed. Give me
Yeah.
a I'll put it away for you.
Und du willst das auch?
That's from Vanessa, yeah.
Ja, ich weiß schon, was da drin ist.
From Vanessa.
Ipa, tubang speakers kayo na address makita na.
Vanessa,
No, she sent up by post.
ist ein Kissen.
Nein, ist ein Buch.
Book.
Yeah,
What's
ich
ano
weiß
book?
das.
Yahan ang libro?
Nein, sie hat das für mich gekauft.
Aha, sana. Pero mas dumis ni Skizag. Akong tayong palitan lang kasi bunta ako bukuan. Regalo.
Das Wurst.
That's my mama.
Guck mir.
Oh, ay, bleib hier na unsa. Ja, bleib there. So.
Darf ich auch mal sehen?
First one by one, Atela. She... Slipper. She
There's
gets
a
slipper. Ito, nataranta. Pansin, you will fall. Chopstick. Japanese. Anime.
Sachen.
Socks. Vida. Katawa man ka dong mag-abri sa socks dong. Hello Kitty t-shirt. Wow. Pansin, mahulog ka dira.
Noch eine.
Nok eine.
10. Ein Kissen.
Kissen korome. Kokokorome. Kokokorome. Francine, you need also for your words ugly.
Kartoffel.
Wow.
Und das Cinnamon Roll.
Cinnamon roll, okay.
Cinnamon Roll birthday on.
Uh-huh.
Was ist das? Auch Kartoffel.
Francine, will you wait until she's finished?
Ach so.
Is this Alice?
Ja.
Okay. So.
Außer das.
She got money. Now she can treat you. Kurumi kokoko. Oh, your tummy. Oh, you're showing your tummy.
Ich lese das später.
Mama, I wanted out to put money in my card, aber
Don't even have money.
She has 50 cents. No, don't know.
nicht on.
Oh, no.
We have on.
Oh, mo to. Mura ni among birthday dire. Nga ni rami mag-birthday dire as usual. Oh, di ba?
Police.
You want police? Police?
Yeah, police birthday.
Police birthday.
And police station.
Police kissing? Okay.
Police. And the police. And
What will you say to us? We made you...
Dankeschön.
Uy, where's your flower? Show po ang pinatag ni Francis. Francis give Ayla at Ate Ella a flower.
immer noch da.
Yeah, you have to... Yara ba nang siya? Yeah, where is that be? Oh. Okay, we will eat soon, ha? Look, this is from Francis. Ang... Pakita sa amin, ang ka-Francis. This is from Francis. Ang bulak.
So,
Oh, flower from France. Thank you, Francis. You're so sweet. And Francine's flower out. That from Francine together with the card. Oh, what will you? Did you say thank you to them?
Ja.
Okay. Okay, mangaon na ta. Okay na to. Okay na to. Mangaon na ta. I gonna get the drinks.
this is auch yummy.
Coffee. Mama want coffee. Dami, pansit.
Yeah. So yummy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mm.
So, birthday from Ate Ella is kuan. Coffee. Snack kay kita naman.
Coffee. I'm getting out coffee.
Mama drink coffee.
Mm.
Wala naman
Can
siguro.
you show me what the inside is?
Lava.
That is marmalade. Ah.
I have to mix water on you, yeah, because this is too concentrate. Ne?
Mit Wasser schmeckt das ekelhaft.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, that's in your lunch box, in your water bottle.
Warum machst du noch nicht?
Huh? I will eat, but I need to have my coffee. Ami siguro ning ko ano, kani oh. Oh, it's yummy do. Oh, grabe Francis. Uy, lami man day kaayo.
I have more cake.
Yeah. You want more? You didn't finish it. Oh, you don't want the croissant? That mama give up. That is so looks so yummy, oh. Mahal kayo ng baligyan sa kuwan. Bikiri. Ako ayaw na. Palitan ng croissant.
Habe ich noch eine?
Yeah. Ano ang birthday? So ikaw
Oh, das will
mag-desisyon.
ich. Das will ich.
Ikaw mag-desisyon nun sa imong kanon. Duwala doon. Lumian. That's
I have more.
cake? Cake, mandi kong pansin. The whole thing or half?
Oh, da ist Kekse da.
Ako, mandi na ako na-slice ang cake. Eh.
Groß Keks.
Then,
Da drunter ist lecker.
agoy,
It makes the cake crispy.
agoy. Nawa na ako ng kuwan. Di ang kuwan. Ano na-slice? Na, di ma-slice ang cake. Kaya tabi. Give me your plate. So. You want the cakes, eh? Part ng good na nakakaon. That was earlier there too. So, so.
No.
Agoy, loob ko.
You want Kekse?
I want to have a real
Oh my
cake.
gosh. What if I don't finish my cake now?
Ich das für Abendessen.
You want dong? Not anymore. Not break. Make a break dong.
Oh my tummy.
Yeah, I told you. Now, you cannot finish.
My tummy.
Drink water. I drink some. Then make a break. Para sa kape.
I can never be fine with ice. What did I do? Du musst nur erst was oben öffnen.
Ja. Zuerst oben. Who opens ice cream like that, bruh? Bruh.
Gimme. So,
16 Uhr.
in the bin Francine.
Now. Where is the camera?
later.
Is the camera there? Is the camera there?
Yeah, leave that there, Francis. Ano yung cake dili oh.
I want ice.
I thought you are
Eat your cake first.
last in the. You go get.
Can you get me one too?
Ikaw, may pa ikaw kuha dahil.
Aber der kann das.
Pas, den Kühlschrank ba?
Hans ist aufpassen.
A
Du musst
Kühlschrank.
langsam öffnen.
The door will bang. Genau.
Ist offen, Franzis, aufpassen.
Andersrum. Where did you bring the whole box?
Ang cake diri nga ni.
Thanks.
Kamay ra ang kuan ba?
Put it away.
Daghan og icing. Gamay ra ang may tawag ani?
Cake.
Ice cream.
Ang cake daghan ang icing. Aka, wala.
Ice cream.
Ang layer.
Ang harina.
This is
Yeah,
how you
na
open
i-cross.
it, Francine.
Huh?
First you
Or
open this,
cookies, nasa ubos.
And
then you go
I'll
up
open
and
alcohol.
like this,
I'll open some like this.
and then you take this glass, and then you have a holder so your hands is not cold. But or your hands will be not Turkish, but I don't need it now. That's not how you eat ice cream.
How?
You eat.
No, that's not how you eat it. That's how you eat ananas. This is Miss Metal.